Hi everyone, it's Simon Keeling here, and it is Sunday the 13th of January. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. Don't forget, we're kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here, so by you clicking on the screen using the adverts, that's what generates the revenue that keeps us free of charge. Now, just wanted to quickly bring you this update. This is just a very quick update before the main video, just to let you know where we're going at the moment. It's just gone past midday, we've got the latest model runs in. Just wanted to give an indication of what's going on. Super critical, as I've been hinting on the musings and on Twitter feeds through the course of this morning, is the position of low pressure as it tracks down the eastern coast of the country during the course of Monday. If that low is slightly further west, the snow area comes further west. If it's further east, then the snow area goes further east. At the moment, I think that the snow area probably by tomorrow morning is going to be across much of northern England down into the Midlands. We're only talking a light dusting of snow in the Midlands. I think it's going to be across northern England, where we could see perhaps 5 centimetres over high ground, 0 to about 2 centimetres across lower ground, and then tomorrow afternoon, or rather through the morning tomorrow into the afternoon, more persistent snow down eastern coast. And I think that's going to be putting in or rather more persistent snow down the east of England. That's going to be putting in more snowfall there, so I think that it's probably going to be coming down through Durham, Tyneside, down to Teesside, and getting down through Yorkshire, into Lincolnshire, down into East Anglia, perhaps parts of northern Cambridgeshire. That's where most of the snow is going to be, and I think that by the close of play or rather I should say early on Tuesday morning, probably in that area, we've got between about 4 to 10 centimetres of snow, so there could be some real disruption across eastern parts of England through Monday into Tuesday. Also, Kent is another one, because it looks like a feed of snow showers continues across Kent, and that's just going to build accumulations steadily across Kent. So I think there we've got to be looking at accumulations locally of perhaps up to 5 centimetres in places. And then through the week, well, it stays cold. We're looking at northeasterly, very cold with snow showers affecting the eastern coast. Some places struggling to get above freezing, and probably by the end of the week we're looking at a risk as well of, or rather mid to late in the week, sort of Thursday-ish into early part of Friday, freezing fog could be a problem. Then we need to consider what happens with the milder air as it comes in at the weekend. It's going to be getting into Ireland and southwest England possibly on Friday. That brings an area of snow across central Ireland. It looks like it's across Wales and southwest England as well on Friday. It kind of just fizzles out, and then a second system comes in. It's that second system that rejuvenates the first, that then through Saturday could bring some snow again across Ireland, Wales, parts of southwest England, before it gets a push northwards late Saturday into Sunday. And then we need to watch for an area of heavy snow for perhaps 6 to 8 hours across much of the Midlands, northern England, northern Ireland as well, across East Anglia, south east England, before milder air gets in. And then probably by Sunday the milder air is in, or by early Monday the milder air is in across the southern half of the UK and the southern half of Ireland. Probably misty, murky fog, drizzle, rain, just horrible as the mild air comes over the colder ground, but we stay snowy across Scotland. The big question mark is, does that mild air ever actually get north? Does it get squeezed away back to the south? I favour the Canadian model at the moment, which squeezes it away back to the south and puts us in cooler conditions from about Tuesday of next week once again. But I'll try and keep you up to date on the video a little bit later on. Just wanted to get this update to you. So for now, thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining. Don't forget to come back to weatherweb.net for all your weather stuff. You can put your own observations in here as well. And yeah, it's a busy few hours here, as you can imagine. So please use the site, use the charts, use the information we give you on there. You can follow us on Twitter at Weather School, or do a search on Facebook for Weather School. And don't forget the site to get free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen here. So once again, thanks for watching, and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.